Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be painting this colorful dragonfly. I will show you step by step how I created it, so keep watching and enjoy! I already transferred the outline onto the watercolor paper. As always, you can find the link to the outline in the description box. I'm starting by mixing a couple of different colors for the wings. Helio Cerulean, Indanthrone blue, Cobalt Teal, and lemon yellow. Next, I'm wetting the entire surface of the wing with clean water. Then, I apply all the colors that I prepared from the inside out, starting with Indanthrone blue. I make sure that the colors are diluted, so they won't be too dark when they dry, since I will be adding more details on top. Next, I'm dropping in Helio Cerulean, then Cobalt Teal. I'm finishing painting the wing by adding lemon yellow to the tips. I follow the same steps for all the other wings. For the body of the dragonfly, I start by applying diluted indigo to the entire surface. While still wet, I drop in concentrated indigo to the sides of the body to make it appear rounded. One of the most important things in the wet in wet technique like this is how wet the brush is when dropping in the color. If the mix is too wet, then the color will spread too much, and with too little water, it won't spread enough. I adjust the amount of paint on the brush by dabbing it on a kitchen towel if it is too wet. I'm also applying horizontal strokes where the segments of the body meet to start to give them shape. I'm painting the head and the legs of the dragonfly with diluted indigo. I leave a white dot of clean paper on each eye, which will be a highlight. I'm defining the segments of the body more. I'm starting by applying diluted indigo, and I build the intensity of the color gradually. I'm rounding the eyes by applying more indigo at the bottom and softening the color up around the highlight. I drop in some more indigo at the bottom. I'm adding definition to the legs with concentrated indigo. I try to leave a sliver of unpainted space in the center of each leg segment for a highlight. I'm defining the shape of the head further, painting it darkest under and between the eyes. When the wings are 100% dry, I'm starting to paint the veins with diluted indigo. I paint from the center to the tips of the wings. I'm making the lines thicker at the beginning and thinner at the ends. By going from the center out, I have less paint on the brush towards the tips, and I can paint thinner lines more easily. To paint thin lines, it is important not to have too much paint on the brush. I remove the excess by dabbing on the paper towel. I also roll the tip of the brush on the palette to make it pointier. I thicken the lines where two lines meet. I repeat this process for all the wings. To make the wings more interesting and make them look a bit like stained glass, I'm applying diluted colors in each shape between the veins. I mirror the colors that are already in the gradient, applying colors in the same order: Indanthrone blue, Helio Cerulean, Cobalt Teal, and Lemon Yellow. After I applied a layer of diluted paint, I drop in more concentrated color on the left side of the shape. At the tips, I drop in some lemon yellow to shapes painted with Cobalt Teal. I painted the rest of the wings the same way, and that is it. The dragonfly is finished. Hope you enjoyed painting with me today. As always, all the tools and colors that I used, as well as the link to the black and white outline, will be in the description box. See you next time. Bye!